Hello guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to make TikTok video of 60 seconds. But before that, make sure that you are connected to the internet. And once connected, just simply tap your TikTok application. And as you can see in your screen, you will see here that plus or icon of plus symbol here located at the bottom part. Just tap this and your camera will be open, and here there are two options to choose from if you want to take a video. There is a 15 seconds or 60 seconds. If you want to take a video of 60 seconds, just tap that option or select that option, and then to start recording, just tap or press this circle button here. Okay, just try this, just tap this if you want to start the taking of video. Okay, that's it guys on how to take a TikTok video of 60 seconds. Okay, I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe for more video tips.